AI technology is a very powerful pattern recognition system that analyzes data and solves problems. Ironically enough, it is made by humans just to find out that it is much smarter than them. Surprised? There has already been much talk about how AI is going to take over the world and how it is going to be a dangerous and the greatest threat to human beings. Let me tell you why this is said. Imagine things that seemed impossible for computers before, like understanding what we see, recognizing our voices, making choices, and even translating languages. Now, thanks to AI, computers can do these tasks. However, every great thing in the world comes with great responsibility for how it is used. Since every constructive thing in the world can be negatively used by people for destructive purposes. Therefore, every person who uses AI and technology has a responsibility to use it in a way that could ease tedious tasks and empower people, not replace them. Why is it important to be mindful when using AI and technology? Okay, so I give you the example of the movie Terminator, where a super intelligent AI system called Skynet created killer robots that turned lethal for mankind. But wait, am I exaggerating by compelling you to imagine things like this? Okay, let's not scare you. Let's get into the authentic numbers. A study involving over 60,000 job advertisements showed the potential bias of AI systems against women. It showed that women were shown fewer ads for high-paying jobs compared to men. Why did this happen? Probably because those who programmed that AI were all men. Isn't it funny? Well, these gender biases in AI are raising real concerns. Being mindful while using AI ensures that it should be used ethically and responsibly. It's about using its power for good, not evil. Here's a recent tweet from Mr. Elon Musk, which says, "A friend of mine suggested that I clarify the nature of the danger of woke AI, especially forced diversity. If an AI is programmed to push for diversity at all costs, as Google Gemini was, then it will do whatever it can to cause that outcome, potentially even killing people." Elon Musk, why AI is one of the biggest threats to humanity in future. Have you ever wondered why AI is considered dangerous? Why is it the biggest threat for humans to face in the future? So let me explain it to you in detail. Here are potential threats that come with the irresponsible use of AI. 1. Bias in decision-making. At the end of the day, we know that AI is programmed by human beings. So we know that it was programmed to take a particular side and show bias in giving verdicts. This causes a lack of transparency in the decisions made by AI. 2. Loss of human control. The movie Terminator pictures the horrifying consequences of human beings losing control over AI. Imagine this happening in reality. Are we ready to face things like this? Losing human control of AI is one of the biggest threats associated with AI technology. 3. Human replacement. Remember the time when computers couldn't understand things or translate a language? Now with AI, machines are getting smarter, tackling tasks that once required human intelligence, like seeing, hearing, deciding, and even speaking different languages. This could be a possible threat to human jobs. Many of the jobs have already been replaced. For example, call center persons have been replaced with chatbots. 4. Weaponization. Just imagine AI being used to control nuclear weapons in the future to make accurate calculations and predictions about the launch. While what can happen is the worst. How? AI can misinterpret data, leading to accidental launches. Moreover, its vulnerability to getting hacked could be the biggest threat to mankind. How to use AI technology mindfully to enhance our lives without falling into potential pitfalls. How to use AI and technology. Using AI and technology starts with understanding its capabilities and limitations. AI can process large amounts of data, learn from specific patterns, and make predictions. It powers search engines, voice recognition, and even medical diagnoses. But AI has some flaws which need to be accepted. For example, it can inherit biases from its human creators or data, leading to twisted results. So the first step in mindful AI usage is knowing these limitations, ensuring transparency in how AI systems make decisions, and continuously monitoring for biases. Mindful usage of AI to avoid potential dangers. To avoid the dangers that come with AI, such as privacy breaches, job displacement, and ethical concerns, we must adopt a mindful approach. Here are 10 tips to mindfully use AI in technology. 1. Doing the right thing. Think of ethical frameworks and morality as guidelines or rules that help us make good choices in life in general. You need the same rules to make sure that when you use AI in technology, you do it fairly and responsibly, considering how it might affect people in society. 2. Understanding AI systems. Imagine you're playing a game, but you don't know the rules. That wouldn't be fair, right? When we fully understand how AI systems work, we can ensure transparency while using it. In this way, we can trust AI for greater outcomes. 3. Fair treatment. Bias is when something isn't fair because it favors one group over another. To avoid this in AI, we need to make sure our systems are fair to everyone. And we do that by using diverse information and checking for any unfairness. 4. Accountability. Taking responsibility. When you do something, you're responsible for it. The same goes for AI. You need to know who is responsible if something goes wrong or if the AI makes a mistake. This helps us fix problems and learn from them. 5. Privacy protection. Your privacy is the most precious thing you have. You need to make sure that AI doesn't invade that space by collecting too much information about you without your permission. Protecting your privacy while using AI is one of the most important considerations. 6. Learning and adaptability. Just like you learn new things every day, AI can also learn and get better over time. We need to keep teaching it and updating ourselves too, so it stays helpful and doesn't become outdated. 7. Human intervention. Even though AI is smart, it still needs humans to check its work, especially in important decisions like healthcare or law. It wouldn't be wrong if we said that AI needs humans to make sure everything is going smooth, fair, and right. 8. Sustainability. We want AI to be good for the environment too. That means making sure it doesn't use too much energy or cause pollution. We need to use AI in a way that's good for the planet. For example, AI in smart thermostats saves energy by adjusting the temperature when you're not home, helping reduce energy waste. 9. Global collaboration. Working together is important. People from all over the world need to share ideas and help each other to make sure AI is used in the best way possible. 10. Public engagement. Your opinion matters. Always keep giving opinions on AI platform forums too. Make sure the creators work on it to improve them the way you want them to be. Conclusion. The future of AI is not just in the hands of those who program it, but also in users' hands. Therefore, we should always be mindful of how we use AI for good. Share your thoughts on how we can achieve a balanced approach to AI in the comments below. Please be sure to smash that like and hit the subscribe button to keep us going. Until next time, stay curious, stay informed, and stay mindful.